December 21st if their grievances remain addressed. Through the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Pharmacists and Dentists Union, KMPDU, the doctors, led by Secretary General Davji Atela, have expressed frustration over delayed salaries, with some having gone unpaid for 9 months. Now, the Secretary General has also highlighted the tragic cases of 2 Kiambu doctors who died by suicide due to depression. He has linked the incidents to financial hardships they face, and the union has also accused the county government of mismanaging a 238 million shilling conditional grant from the World Bank. This grant was meant to address salary arrears, and it has left healthcare workers in dire situations.
Our doctors are demotivated. Therefore, in as much as hospitals are still there, gates are open, people are working under duress because a lot of pressure is being used, which is not productive. As a result of that, this is why even the revenue will go down. The workers themselves are not comfortable. Today, Kiambu is reading as the most toxic county for any doctor to work in.
These doctors do not understand how a government can decide to bastardize a collective bargaining agreement, to ignore a return to work formula and reduce wages of intern doctors. They don't understand how government will not pay arrears owed to doctors for 7 years, but be in a rush and a hurry to deduct taxes on the same pay slips. We have seen Kiambu County that owes doctors about 105 million has not paid, just like all the 47 counties. Our strike for 22nd of December 2022 is purely on, and we do not want to hear anything of goodwill from anybody or from any stakeholders.
Let's go back